Hi, this is Chad from Blueberry Ridge Outdoors. We're going to be putting the Kemi Moto block off plates for the inner fender well for Polaris Pro XP. Mine is a 2022. So you have this protective film on here when you first get it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel that off, both sides. So once you get that peeled off, then we're just going to put it in. It's actually notched out just for this. So this contour will fit right in there. You'll see where the indentation is. It's made specifically for this machine. So I did have to modify this one. On the top, I just took a little bit off the edge here. What I did is I dry fitted up in there, found out where it was hitting, and just cut this a little bit with a reciprocating saw. Took this corner off, now it fits in there really nice. All you do, the holes are already there in the machine, so you just line them up. Put the push pins in. That's all there is to it. Once you get it trimmed right, fits right in there nice. So let's see if I can show you. It goes right up in there. Try to get this glare off the camera here, but fits up in there really nice. Like I said, I notched it out right here just a little bit. I had to trim it because it was hitting on the side, so yeah, it's a pretty good fit. All right, now to go over, that was the driver's side. Now I'm going to go over to the passenger side. So on the passenger side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up. I'm going to put the push pins in. There's 4 push pins and only 3 holes in the, only 3 factory holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in, put the 3 push pins in, drill the 4th one out, and then put the 4th push pin in. That way it'll be in place. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to drill a 4th one right above it here. So in order to put this one in, this one fit, I didn't have to trim it at all. So we're going to put it up here. We're going to put the top push pin in. I'm going to put the bottom push pin in. We're going to put the middle one in. Now we're going to drill this one out right here. So it says an 8mm hole. I found that 5/16 is about the same size, so that's what I'm going to drill this. There's a piece of cake. Nice and tight. And we're done. So there it is. That's how it fits in there. So all in all, I think the fit and finish is pretty good. That's all there is to it. Those are the Kemi Moto fender inserts for a 2022 Polaris RZR Pro XP. Hopefully you like this. I know it was a short, simple video, but just so you know, before you buy them, that's how they install. Pretty simple. That's what they look like after they're installed. So hopefully this helps. If you like this video, like, click subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.